Hello guys! Good morning from Portugal! Bom dia! Another day of fight! Mais dia de luta! I bought the first tickets of the book 0 and 1. 0 y 30 años a robar. 30 years of robbery. Okay? Why is this ticket called 30 years? 30 years a robar? 30 years of robbery or what? Okay, matching number in the main game. 30x multiplier, only one multiplier, and gift symbol or presente in Portuguese, present. Okay, vamos começar. Let's start with 0. Okay, I'm gonna use this coin, random red. M2M, Grab and Gamble, give this to me. Maybe it's a lucky coin. The other day I won 150 on this ticket. We're looking for 39 in Portuguese números. 46, 16, 31. 18, 11, 13, 24, 28. Ay! Winner! 31! 27! Ay! 2 wins! 31! 39! Nice! Ay! 3 wins! 16! 3 wins! Nice! So this is a lucro. 25! 19! 37! 42! 45, 3 wins. Maybe it's a good sign. Multiplier, of course I don't get this. Because I should get only one match. Presente, moedas, peso, brande, puto de oro. 3 matches. 3 matches. 5, 5, 5. Des. Only. It's either I win 5, 5, 5 or des 5, 5 or des. So at least 15 euro. So this is a lucro already. So I hope it's 10. Of course. This is 5. 31, 5. Where's the other one? Ay, chica. What's the other one? 8, 13, 24, 39, 5. So I have 15. So not bad guys, I have 15. Okay, 15 euro, I only spent 10. Gasté 10. Lucro already. Okay, we're looking for 31, 40, 19, 29, 28, 45, 23, 32, 27, 25, 35, 38, 18, 33, 22, 11, 16, 36, 34. Nada, of course. Of course, I don't get the multiplier, obviously. Okay, so here we're looking for presente. Let's hope we can find it. It's a bank. I need to make a loan. To apply a loan. This one. Flores. My husband should give me this. But he's busy working like a dog, so he has no time to buy this. And this one. Horseshoe. Okay, so this is not a winner, obviously. But I got 15 euro win here. Okay, so not bad, guys. Lucro 5 euro is not bad. Okay. What's the lottery code for 15? First time I won 15, so I want to know. T. Seems like a big win. T. But it's only 15 euro. But 15 euro is not bad, guys. I have 5 euro. I don't know where's the other one. I have 5 euro. Lucru. Okay, 5 euro lucru. I can buy coffee and what's the name of that? That I like. Pounded juice con queso y fiambre. I need to eat pounded juice, guys. Means the bread of God. I need to eat this because I'm a sinner. Okay, I always get angry too. Santa Casa, Portugal Lottery. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.